Not that predictable. Sometimes a layover turns into a stayover. Does your thermostat wait to change until it knows you're getting closer? The Lyric thermostat's in tune with whatever you need.
University of Central Florida scientist Dr. Annette Khalid knew at just 13 years old that she wanted to eradicate cancer.
My grandmother had cancer at that age. You know, when she was in her 60s at the time, and it really devastated her. And I just said to myself, you know, I want to find a cure for this disease.
Years later, she may be on the cusp of doing just that for cancers that have metastasized.
It's something that has great potential if it turns out the way we hope it will.
The hope is to kill metastatic cancer cells. Sometimes, when tumors grow, cancer cells break off or metastasize. They escape and go into other parts of the body and form new tumors.
It's a death sentence at that point. They have just sometimes months to years.
About 5 years ago, Dr. Khalid and her team discovered that a peptide called CT20 kills cancer cells like these.
It's killing cancer cells. We know how it's doing it, but we can't get it into the body.
Now Dr. Khalid's team and a team led by UCF's Dr. Manuel Perez are working on a way to get that cancer-killing peptide to those metastasized cells. Here's how they want to do it. They want to take that CT20 peptide and put it inside a nanoparticle that is so small, microscopic doesn't even begin to describe the scale. Then they're going to coat that nanoparticle with a substance that targets cancer cells.
It actually can find those cells. It will be integrated by those cells and eliminate them.
And hopefully eliminate the cancer.
It's going to help women, it's going to help men who are at the late stage diseases.
But it's also going to take years more research. Still, it's promising enough that the National Institutes of Health just gave them a nearly $2 million grant.
I'll do that hallelujah moment maybe 4 or 5 years from now when we actually do all the tests and we do everything and everything comes out the way we hope it will.
The way she's hoped since she was just 13 years old. Tom Johnson, Fox 35 News.